Hey, Patrick. Good morning. How's your morning going?
Morning, Shirley. It's going pretty good. I made some coffee, sat on the balcony, tried to feel like my life is peaceful and put together.
Only tried?
Yeah, because a bird stole a piece of my bagel.
No way! I laugh harder.
Yes way. It just flew down like it owned the place, took my food, and left.
That bird said, breakfast is mine now.
Exactly. So my morning was fun?
Well, my morning was simple. I woke up late, made a big smoothie, and then rushed here.
A smoothie? What was in it?
Bananas, strawberries, and a lot of regret.
Why regret?
Because now I'm hungry again.
Classic.
Anyway, I'm excited today. We're talking about something many students ask us about.
Yeah, one of the biggest questions ever. How do I improve my English fast?
So, Patrick, when people ask, how do I learn English fast, what do you think first?
Honestly, I think they feel stressed. They want results quickly. They want to speak better today, not next year.
Yes, I hear students say things like, I study every day, but I still can't speak well.
Exactly. And many people think they're bad at English, but they're not. They just don't know the right way to practice.
And sometimes they compare themselves to other people.
And that never helps.
True. Do you remember when you tried to learn Spanish?
Oh, yes. Let me tell you, it was a beautiful disaster.
What happened?
So I learned a few phrases, and one day I tried to flirt with someone in Spanish.
Oh no. What did you say?
I wanted to say, you have beautiful eyes, but I think I said something like, your eyes are made of onions?
No, Patrick.
I know. And the person just looked confused.
Did they run away?
I would have.
See, that's the point. When you learn a new language, you make funny mistakes.
Yes, and those mistakes help you learn faster.
Exactly. Mistakes are not the enemy.
They're the teacher.
Okay, let's start giving real tips. My first tip is simple. Speak every day, even just 5 minutes.
Yes, people think they need 1 hour, but even a small amount is powerful.
I tell my students, talk to yourself in English while you cook, while you walk, while you wait for the bus.
Yeah, like, okay, I'm cutting onions, now I'm putting them in the pan.
Exactly.
And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just speak.
Many students say, but I have nobody to practice with.
So talk to yourself. I do that all the time.
Same here. I talk to my cat in English. She doesn't listen, but still.
She understands?
No, she just wants food.
That's fair. Another big tip, listen to slow, clear English, not super fast movies.
Yeah, movies are great, but not for beginners.
Right. Start with podcasts, slow stories, or simple YouTube conversations, like this one.
Exactly. Many learners listen to difficult things and feel frustrated.
But slow listening builds confidence.
And over time, your brain starts to understand faster.
It's like going to the gym. You don't lift 100 kilos on day 1.
True. Start light, build strength.
Tip number 3, focus on the core 1,000 words.
Another important thing, you don't need 10,000 vocabulary words.
Yes, people think vocabulary is everything.
But really, the most common 1,000 words make up 85% of daily English.
That's true. You can communicate a lot with simple words.
Start with the basics like want, need, go, come, make, do, think, feel.
When I talk to friends, I mostly use simple words.
Same.
You don't need complicated words to sound smart. You need confidence. Tip number 4, repeat, repeat, repeat.
You know, many students say, I watched one video. Why don't I remember everything?
Because your brain is not a USB drive.
Exactly.
Repetition is the secret. Watch one video 3 times. Listen to one story 5 times.
When you repeat, English becomes automatic.
And then you think less and speak more. Fun story, Shirley's fear moment when learning French.
Oh no, do I have to?
Yes, it's inspiring.
Okay. So, I lived in France for a short time, and one day I went to a bakery.
Uh-oh.
I wanted to order a simple croissant. Easy, right?
Should be.
But when it was my turn to speak, my brain froze.
Like a computer?
Exactly. I forgot every word. I just stood there like... The baker looked at me like, hello, are you okay?
What did you do?
I said the only word I could remember, yes. And then I just pointed at the croissant like a confused child.
And did you get it?
Yes, but I walked out thinking, wow, I need to practice more.
And you did. Look at you now.
Yes, that moment taught me that fear is normal.
Tip number 5. Don't worry about your accent.
Yes, many learners feel shy because of their accent.
But every accent is beautiful.
Exactly. English is international, not only for Americans or British people.
And honestly, most Americans love hearing different accents.
Oh yes, I find accents charming.
Same. So don't try to sound perfect. Just try to be clear.
Confidence is more attractive than perfection.
Tip number 6. Create an English environment at home.
Yes, one thing that helps a lot, make your home an English space.
Yes, change the language on your phone.
Label things like door, table, mirror.
Watch YouTube in English. Listen to music in English.
Find English in your daily life.
When your environment is English, you learn faster without even trying. Tip number 7, shadowing.
Another great method, shadowing.
Yes, it sounds cool, like ninja training.
It's simple. You listen to someone talking and you speak at the same time.
It trains your tongue, your mouth, your brain.
And it improves rhythm and pronunciation quickly.
Even for me, when I acted in plays, shadowing helped a lot. Tip number 8, practice with real people when you can.
Shirley, Patrick, remember your old language partner?
Oh yeah, a guy from Brazil. We talked once a week.
Did it help?
A lot. And we became friends.
Many learners think they need a teacher, but a simple conversation partner helps too.
Yes, but if you can't find a partner, that's okay. Talk to yourself, record your voice, or talk to AI.
Tip number 9, learn phrases, not words.
Yes, because native speakers talk in phrases.
Instead of learning improve, learn improve my English, improve quickly, improve a little.
That way, you can speak faster and more naturally.
Tip number 10, make English fun.
This is important. Learning should be fun.
Oh, absolutely. If you're bored, you won't learn.
Watch funny videos. Listen to songs you like.
Play games. Read simple stories.
My friend learned English from video game chat rooms.
Really?
Yep, he had to talk to people during the game, so his English improved fast.
That's cool. They're personal reflections about learning anything fast. I think learning English fast is not only about English.
Yeah, it's about your mindset.
You have to enjoy the journey.
And forgive yourself when you make mistakes.
And be patient with your progress.
And keep going, even on days you feel tired.
Student questions, simulated. I get a lot of questions like, how long does it take to speak fluently?
And my answer is always, it depends.
Your practice, your attitude, your consistency.
Some people learn in 3 months. Some need a year. Some need longer, and that's okay.
Yes, there is no perfect timeline. Closing reflection or takeaway. So, what is the most important thing to remember today?
Maybe this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day.
Yes, English is not something you memorize. It's something you live.
Talk, listen, repeat, make mistakes, laugh at your mistakes.
And keep going.
If you do that, you will improve your English fast.
Faster than you think. Outro.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident.
And remember,
We don't.
you can do this.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.